Let's make some coffee using my Lazada finds. First, I got this drip coffee for only 184 pesos. It smells so good. Yum. Now time for some milk. Yes, pour it, girl. I got this milk frother for only 110 pesos. Now let's put some ice. I got this ice maker mold for only 88 pesos. And this aesthetic wooden spoon for only 188 pesos. Let me put some chocolate crumbs. It's a fade. Now time to put the coffee. Blue roll. Oops. And the milk, yes. Lastly, I got this metal straw set for only 39.60 pesos. Sulit Lazada finds.